San Francisco. Now, many of you may think of India as the land of spices, or maybe the land of yoga, maybe even the land of Bollywood. But unfortunately, there is an aspect of this diversity we all seem to forget about. Our team identified a serious problem in our community with implications worldwide. Now, most of us can only try to imagine what people with disabilities face, especially in developing countries such as India. Out of the 26.8 million people with disabilities, that is 32 times the entire population of San Francisco, 5 million people are educated and employed, and the remaining 9 million either have the aptitude but no means to procure the skills, or remain unemployed despite being skilled. Now, we are aware of the hardships they face just to get a basic education. So aren't we failing as a community if we don't provide them with an adequate tool?
So here is what we offer as a solution. Capable. Capable is designed to provide people with disabilities the complete career development package. It is an Android-based mobile application. It focuses on providing them a platform to connect with employers and NGOs on a user-friendly app which helps improve their skills and connects them with potential employers. It provides them with a community to share their experiences, successes, and failures. The app provides corporates with a medium to build a diverse workforce as talent comes in all shapes and sizes. It also provides NGOs who have suitable training materials and events with a platform to reach out to their target audience.
For all those of you wondering why people will come to us, firstly, Capable has been designed specifically for its target audience, that is, the people with disabilities. For example, our present prototype is dyslexic-friendly, colorblind-friendly, and vision-impaired-friendly. Secondly, Capable's intelligent search portal helps connect its three stakeholders with one another, thereby effectively optimizing the chances of getting a correct connect for the right opportunity. And most importantly, as Capable is a mobile application, it has a naturally deep market penetration, even in the lower tier cities of India, where this app will be most effective. This is possible mainly as India is currently the world's third largest smartphone user base.
Out of the many people with disabilities, majority of them have locomotory issues. Because it's a mobile application, it is easily accessible from anywhere. And with our location feature, we help them get jobs at a convenient distance. But people may wonder that if they have locomotory challenges, wouldn't it be difficult for them to go to their job locations? For this reason, we'll be tapping into the work from home market, which is very unstructured in today's world. From the corporate's point of view, we help them get people with the right skill set easily from this specific diverse group of people. Based on the research we have done, the SimLabs we have found are run by the NGOs themselves and do not connect to many NGOs or corporates, whereas we are a third-party app which incentivizes to connect all three of our target audiences, for in their success lies our success.
Our primary goal from a financial viewpoint is to make our app self-sustainable without being dependent on charitable donations. We have identified a couple of revenue streams to this model. Firstly, our corporate subscription plan, which entitles corporates to a host of value-added services, which include tapping into a wider range of candidates. We will also be acting as an advertorial promotion value where NGOs and corporates can promote their training modules. As part of branding and promotion, we will be hosting annual award fundraisers where we will felicitate successful personalities who have overcome their difficulties and been successful in their careers. In conclusion, we believe that it's not your disability, but your abilities that define you.
So I'll start. In your research for this app, have you talked to NGOs and what's the type of feedback that you're getting from them, if you have?
Yeah, we have spoken to an NGO. It is called Enable India, and it is based out of Bangalore, India. Enable India does work in the disability phase. So when we spoke to them, we also learned that while there are applications which exist at the moment, our application being a mobile application is definitely going to hit a lot more our target audience. Secondly, they felt that our accessibility features will definitely help people with disabilities get an easier opportunity to look at jobs which are currently available.
Did you speak with corporations who may want to use this, and what kind of responses did you get from them?
We did do a lot of surveys, and we spoke to both corporates and people with disabilities. And through our social media presence, companies like JP Morgan have expressed their interest in the app and how, it'll help them to get a diverse talent pool.
Have you considered pulling in data from other job sites for your particular app?
Yes, we have. There are certain jobs which are generally interesting for the people with disabilities. We plan to add that as a couple of defaults. But otherwise, it's mostly the jobs that the corporates are willing to post.